Sup? So, have you ever had a conversation with AI and thought like, wow, it really gets me? Like, it answers all your questions, it apologizes when it makes a mistake, and it can even write poetry. Like, it feels incredibly human, right? But what is actually happening behind the screen? I mean, does the AI know what it's even saying to you? So, to answer this question, let me take you to a thought experiment from the 1980s, which is called the Chinese room experiment. And this is made decades before AI was even existing. And this proves exactly why artificial intelligence is the greatest illusion of human history. Let me explain. So, how this theory goes is, imagine there's a room and there's a partition between the room. There are two sides and both of them cannot communicate with each other. Now, one side there's a Chinese person, and on the other side there is a non-Chinese person. Maybe he only speaks English. But now this person here, which is the non-Chinese person, also has a dictionary or a rule book of Chinese. So whenever he's writing something, he writes on a piece of paper using this rule book, and then he passes those notes to the other section of the room, and the Chinese guy reads it perfectly. So the question here is, how do we know if that guy who is the non-Chinese guy actually understood or not? Because for the Chinese guy who is reading all this, it is perfect with all the punctuations, the grammar, everything is completely perfect. So for him, this is a person who knows Chinese, right? But he's just following the rule book and writing down according to his understanding. So that is kind of what AI is. AI does not really understand what it's saying, it's just a probability machine. So if I am asking it something, for example, say what is 2 plus 2, it does not know what 2 plus 2 is. It just goes through the web, scours all the data that it has, like, and it finds the probability that in maximum websites that it saw, there's written 2 plus 2 equals 4, 2 plus 2 equals 4, 2 plus 2 equals 4. So it'll just tell me 4, just because it saw that it is repeated many times. It doesn't really know if it actually is the answer, and that is why AI many times makes a mistake. Because if there is this mistake stated in many websites and that is its data from where it's reading, it will also tell you the same thing. It's not actually thinking, it's just pulling data and making a guess that, yeah, if this is said everywhere, this might be the answer, and that's why it's telling you. So AI is basically just a huge illusion. And no, that's not the end of the video. So today I want to let go of you with a question, a thought, something that you can think about. So I just now told you that AI is an illusion, right? But I have a different thought, a different argument, that suppose AI is an illusion, but when you are giving that the non-Chinese guy the book and that room, doesn't he sort of have an understanding? Like, he is still following the rule book, right? He's understanding the rule book and then writing down. So the AI also kind of does not have an understanding, and even if it does not, there's one more issue. Our brains, we think because of our neurons, and a single neuron has no understanding, but when all of them merge, they form some kind of understanding. So don't we also think? I mean, if we have understanding, then doesn't AI also have understanding? If we don't have understanding, then doesn't the AI also not have understanding? So this is something that I'll leave you with to think. I would like and I would love to know what your thoughts are in the comments. I hope you loved this video. That's it. If you think I'm wrong somewhere or there are some contradictions, I would obviously love to know about it. That's it for today. Bye bye.